Over the next couple of videos, we're going to take a look at what a web page, what the HTML code should be, okay, to be correct, its actual structure. The first thing I want to look at is it's not actually a HTML tag, although it looks like one, so I'm going to place it at the very top of my page. And it is open angle bracket pling, that's what we call the exclamation mark for some strange unknown reason, and the word doctype and then HTML. Now this stands for HTML5. There's several versions of HTML which can have different forms. It's not straightforward. There's a lot of transitional blah blah blah, big long lines in here. This is relatively simple. It's just doctype and HTML, and it tells us that we're going to be using HTML5, which has support for different browsers and different kinds of tags. So again, if I check that out with our HTML validator, let's copy this code and put it into the validator. Let's go back and paste it in there. There we go. And if I hit check, well, something strange happens. It didn't do what it did last time, which was give us a load of error messages and mistakes. What it did was take us to another site which is useful for understanding HTML5. So here we go. We've got exactly the same thing. I've got my HTML5 as though I'd come to this site to begin with, typed it in, and what I get at the bottom is the error messages, and it's telling me all the things that are actually missing from my web page. So I could keep typing in these items and eventually figure out what was a correct, valid web page. Again, if you just type it in and press check, it will have a look and tell you the mistakes. So what we're going to be doing, like I said, over the next couple of videos is actually putting together the correct layout of a web page, validating it so that we don't end up with any errors.